grandpa used to say, smile if it kills you, and you'll die with a grin on your face. I'm a military veteran. I am also a service-connected disabled veteran. That didn't stop me. I went into law enforcement. It was the best decision I ever made. Drug unit, criminal investigations, traffic patrol, special weapons and tactics instructor. I've always been kind of a stern person. I've always been looked upon as being that kind of person.
Ken was an interesting patient when I first met him. He was a man who I'll never forget told me he never smiled in 50 years. And I said, at that first meeting, we're gonna be able to make you smile again. That I'm gonna promise. And he goes, well, I just want something in there. I'm not gonna smile. I said, okay, Ken.
We started talking about my future and the future of a new smile. After much consultation, decision making, we decided to go all on four, upper and lower arch, a complete set of implant teeth. That's an amazing technological step forward. It's a process, a difficult process. It takes a lot of engineering, it takes a lot of work, but the end result is a smile. I couldn't be happier, but it seems to make others around me more comfortable. My daughter got tears in her eyes when I was out visiting her, and I showed her the first application of the temporaries. And she goes, I don't remember ever seeing you smile. I've had friends tell me that I haven't smiled in over 40 years. I smile now. This is some of the finest people I've ever met in my life were met through that dental office. And for me, that's saying a lot.
I will never forget, he said, you said all this stuff and anyone can talk and promise and make promises. He said, but you looked me in the eye, you shook my hand, and you said, I'm going to take care of you. And he goes, in that moment, I knew I could trust you.
I don't like dentists. I love Dr. Hassan. He's a really great human being. He's brought me into the 21st century. If I were to recommend to anyone that queried me, questioned me as to what I had to go through and what was up, what was coming next, I would say contact Dental Associates and make sure you shake hands with Joshua Hassan. They bent over backwards to make sure that I was comfortable at every level and everything that was going on, and they made it seamless. These last months have been completely, utterly seamless to the point where I get to smile now.